Now I am going to show you Chinese mixed fried rice. We will see how it is done. The first thing that I have to do in this is egg and green peas. I have to make a small mixture and keep it. So we will see how we are going to do that. To make the mixed fried rice, first thing I told you that I am going to use a little bit of egg and green peas. So I put a little oil, then I will use a little butter. I have taken the eggs, 2 eggs I have taken, beat it nicely. Into that I will use a little chili pieces, salt, pepper, eggs with all the seasoning, salt, pepper, chili pieces, all that we have put, and use the green peas also. I'll put this into the bowl which we need later. Just break it up. Into the pan, first thing I am going to do is I will put the mince meat, raw mince meat I will put. Okay, the raw mince meat. Raw mince meat is very good, very tasty. When you prepare without boiling the meat, if you can straight away use the meat and do, it's nice. I will put a little salt to that, a little bit of pepper. The water comes out. Can you see that? Raw meat, the water comes out from that. Let it get cooked and boiled nicely. When that is almost cooked, you can see now the meat is almost getting cooked. I didn't put anything, only pepper and a little salt I put, but rather than that I have not used any other ingredients. Now only I am going to add a little bit of oil. Shredded onions. We use the shredded onions. Capsicum cut into rounds. Ginger and garlic chopped finely. I will add the chicken, boiled flaked chicken. Boiled flaked chicken. Now I am going to add the cooked rice. Chinese rice you can use, sambar rice or any rice, the long grain rice you can use. Now I am going to use here, we have not used enough salt. That time I didn't use the salt, only a little for the meat I put, a little pepper, a little bit of chili pieces, bit of turmeric, pieces, a few chili pieces. Either red pepper or chili pieces you can use. I'll use the soy sauce. And prawns. Prawns all this time I didn't use. Now only I am using the prawns. Prawns should not be used early. Lastly, only you use the prawns. I couldn't get the bean sprouts and mushroom at this moment, so I didn't use those two. If you want, you can use mushroom about 60 grams and bean sprouts a little we can use. But I didn't use those two because I couldn't get at this time. Prawns would have got cooked in 1 minute, and lastly we put the tomatoes, nicely cook and take it. What I will do is a little bit of butter. Preparation is ready for us, so we will see what we are going to do it now. We use chicken, prawns and meat, mince meat, raw mince meat. With all that we have prepared. Only I couldn't use the bean sprouts and mushroom. Nicely decorate. We have to do the decoration also. I have to see where my prawns are missing. The green peas and the egg which we have used, right, that is in the middle I have put. Now see how it looks like. This is the best preparation, I would say, Chinese mixed fried rice that we have done with the egg and green peas and rest of it, and of course it's a wholesome meal that you could serve. This is my Chinese mixed fried rice. How is it? I hope you will like it. It looks so yummy and I hope you will love it. And it's a wholesome meal, as I told you. You could serve it as a meal, lunch or dinner, or any time you can serve. So this is the preparation that I have showed you. Try it out and see how it comes. It's so nice, delicious, and you will enjoy. Because I want you to enjoy all my preparations that I do. Not only cakes and puddings and all that, savories also has a better taste. So try it out and see how it comes. And next week with another episode, I'll come to see you, right? Another tasty preparation. Bye from me now, so that I will come back very soon.